Ngiyanibingelela lapho babukele emakhaya okhulumayo TPN Khumalo the Jago with the capital letter J. Umamntungu umbulazi umzilikazi kaMashobane wadla umuntu emiyenga ngendaba. Lalela mntakama, uyazi ke na ukuthi ngintatheli yenu ethandekayo namhlanje ngisigqoke ezaphelela iuniform noma ngingasho ngithi phela mina nkosami ngineyigqoko eziningi kakhulu angazi nami ukuthi ngizokwenza njani. But ke umzolweni media sike sathola ki call kwathiwa wemzolweni media wazobona sakaladela Sasitshe ngeke singasala kanjani sahamba ke sawolanda ke ngoba phela usuku lwanamhlanje bekuusuku obelikhulu kakhulu noma ngingasho ngithi emndenini emithathu ekuyiyona mndeni eyashayeka noma eyalimala ngesikhathi sodlame sikhuluma lapho ngemndeni esutholile umndeni nje ukhongoloso noma ngingasho ngithi African National Congress ike yabiza yathi wemzolweni media sondelani nizobona ukuthi senzani siqopha umlando lapho silanda khona amasosha noma lapho silanda khona amaqhawe amathambo abo bebesebebekiwe labo bebekwe khona noma imizimba yabo yayisibekiwe la isibekwe khona kodwa ke sike sahamba saya eChesterville saya eLamontville manje la sikhona sisendaweni yakhona lapha yana eMbumbulu noma sifinyelela siyoze sifinyelele eMbumbulu lapho kuzophethwa khona umsebenzi lapho kuyogoqwa khona umsebenzi sifikile ke kumndeni lapho kuzoqala khona umsebenzi omkhulu ngomgqibelo kuzofihlwa khona noma kuzophindwe kuphihlo khona imizimba yabo noma ama-athambo abo ngoba ngokuzwa noma ngokulandela umzolweni media sinilandela zonke zishisa ziphelele zinjalo kodwa ke ngiyathanda namhlanje ngoba bathe kulolu hambo lanamhlanje sizokuhamba sodwa sohamba abafundisi okuyibona i-interfaith i-interfaith lapho kubabukeli noma ngingasho nje ngithi nje sanibona Ntimelang absheng nangoke lo ke enimazi kahle ke TPN Khumalo the Jago with the capital letter umamntungu umbulazi umzilikazi kaMashobane anginye ngoba ngizobe senithi ngine-cappuccino angihambi ngedwa ke nje sichazile ukuthi inkulu into esizele namhlanje inhlangano ekuthiwa u-ANC okuyona ephethe iSouth Africa noma kuyona engamele sinaye la umholi wami banento eyenzakalayo namhlanje so ke bengifisa ukuthi kuba uyena ozosithatha sise khona but before ngiqale ngakho konke ngicela ukuthi introduce baba ukuthi ubani isihlalo sakho sithini ngizile ukuthi unegqoke eziningi yizo lo ndaba
ngicela ukubingelela balalele emakhaya ngibingelele angijwayeleke mina ukuba ku spotlight
yes
igama ngumuntu akaNxumalo ngu-provincial commissioner womkhonto wesizwe ngiphathe organizing yawo lonke lo mcimbi
yes
phinde futhi ngibe umfundisi nginceko
okay
nginceko nje kaNkulunkulu nginabazalwana abanida spiritual guidance
yes
from me so namhlanje kulo mcimbi okhona namhlanje sihambela imndeni yalaba abantu abasasibalandile amathambo sibiza immortal remains abalandwe ekudingisweni iprocess yakhona yinde yaqala eZambia yathi Zimbabwe yabuya yathi Pitori yahlala inyanga yonke kwenziwa i-DNA test amafamily loke ingxenye yasuka abuya eza la eGoli yasuka eGoli eza ngokuhlukana thina sila eKZN ke sibahlangabeze lapha toll gate sebefika ke imizimba ama mortal remains
yes
saya eKandra Hall ke sanomcimbi ke khona sasinda umcimbi khona eKandra Hall sibamukele nje i-home welcoming ilabantu abalwela inkululeko abasale ekudingisweni baningi basazobuya nabanye kodwa ngebabuye bonke ngoba abanye khona abadliwa ingwenya bakhona baphela emfuleni khona abancibilika abangazi bashonapha abanye emathunabo abhubi trap uyakwazi ukungena abhubi trap uthi njengoba sesihamba nje kungangeni umuntu futhi abantu ababhubi trap abasekho nabo abasothi lo sabhubi trap kanje kodwa siyazi ukuthi naleyo nto so kunaleyo emotional welcoming namhlanje ke sihambela imndeni ngamunye umndeni oqala waseChesterville kaSipho-Mdletshe owesibili waseLamontville okaTeodo kaNgubane owesithathu useMbumbulu empushini
yes
uJetson Khuzwayo sakhumbula ubaba Khuzwayo so nje wasihambela imndeni lana uSG ucomrade Fikile Mbalulu uzobe khona nethimba lobuholi so belikhona ukuhlangana nomndeni xoxisana nemndeni before umcimbi omkhulu ozoba la eIce Rank ngomgqibelo umcimbi omkhulu sine mass funeral soba nango umgqibelo
umncwabo uzoba
ngomgqibelo umncwabo
wabo bonke laba abalandiwe
bonke labalandiwe sihambela imndeni nje manje sixoxisana nemndeni thina njengethimbe beli on the ground besichimana nomndeni yonke into but manje sekufika abaholi leadership ukuthi ayibe ingxenye nayo ihambe ixoxe nomndeni ixoxisana nomndeni nanokuthi phela lana i-first batch baningi abasazofika lebeluhlelo
Yeah.
Ngoba lenziwa lolu hlelo leli silenzela ukuthi sil-understand ukuthi abantu abasekudingisweni asibakhohliwe nanokuthi kunene bathi closure emafamily ukuthi ingane kwenzekani ngengane zethu phatho yako i-closure
uyena osiphethe-ke la ku-interfaith unayigqoke yiningi naye hey angazi ngingasho nje ngithi asekwenzile sekungaphezulu mhlawumbe kweminyaka yakhe asekwenzile igalelo nje asebenalo emphakathini wala eThekwini sungaphezulu siyahlonipha kakhulu bishop ingakho nje namhlanje si-honorishile even invitation yakho namhlanje ukuthi asize sizoba kanye nani so ke naba babukeli bami ekhaya ngayichaza ukuthi igqoko zakho zingakanani sizokwenzani la funa ukuzathi zonke lezi igqoko
yeah no cha mhlawumbe umuntu alithathe leli thuba bonke ukuthi sibe ingcenye yokuthi njengoba namhlanje kuusuku olubalekile ukuthi kubuyiswe amathambo abafowethu abashonele ekudingisweni
yes
seswenzile umngcwabo oqala wakwaShembe sekusela imingcwabo emithathu noma emine emithathu soyenza la omunye soyenza South Coast uhlelo nje lonke lwalesikhathi esikusona uANC udecide ukuthi amaqabane ashonele ekudingisweni kufanele abuyiswe emakhaya wacica ke lokho umongameli wezwe ukuthi akube nama committees azoqala kwenza ingakho ke usibona ke sabe fundisi siyingxenye yalolu hlelo ngoba phela umuntu mase ehambile emhlabeni ufanele ukuthi ahlonishwe nokuthi abefundisi babe khona angicizelela ukuthi lento yokuthi uANC usebenzisana nabefundisi akuyona into entsha into yaqala ubaba Oliver Tambo bese kudingisweni ngoba inhlangano eCommission on Religious Affairs yaqala uyena ubaba Oliver Tambo egcizelela ukuthi uma ngaba abantu beyokulwimpi yomzabalazo kuyofanele bazi ukuthi kuyofanele njalo baqale ngomthandazo yiko ke nje la kaANC sesinabantu ababiza ngama chaplain mina ke ngingomunye nje wabantu abaseva kweANC ngivolunteer ngibizwe ke ngibe khona la ngisuke ngidingeka khona njoba namhlanje ke sizohambela leyo mndeni okuzothi ngomgqibelo bese iwangcwaba amathambo ehlobo zawo
so baba mangase nje ngisimhlawumbe singa ngoba thina njengabantu bakamoya ezinye izinto sibamba kumoya
yes
and angazi ukuthi it's very emotional ukuthi siyolanda abantu ababelwela lo mzabalazo
yes
kuwena how does it feel
ngithe kade befika ngomsombuluko odlule ngavulizwi elalibaleka kakhulu kubantwana bakaIsrael la uJoseph ebanikeza umyalezo ukuthi ngamhlazana uNkulunkulu enihambela enkhipha eGibhithe ningawashiya amathamba ami
yes
lo mbhalo loyo iwone ngobone ucaca futhi usebenza kakhulu lezi insuku njengabantu bakamoya amathamba ayinto ebalekile uyuza umuntu mangabe owakubo engatholakalanga athi ongenani mangathola ithambo lakhe iqiniso ke lithi ke uma amathamba iyona carrier yokugcobo lomuntu ugcobo lulele emathanjeni so kubaleka ukuthi ke kubuye amathamba labafowethu kufana nokuthi ugcobo sithatha uthi inhlangano kaKhongolose izozakha kabusha kuleli altar nakulolu ugcobo lwalamaqabane abuyiswayo ngalesikhathi it's amazing ukuthi abuyiswe ngalesikhathi uANC ukule inkinga okuzona ukuze ke mhlambe ngabo bese ke amathambo aseyakhuluma akhuluma ukuhlangana kwethu njengoba ngenilanga kwaye kwakhuluma indoda endalo ezekela ibuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi ebuza uNkulunkulu lamathamba sangaphila yini nathi sinethemba lokuthi ukubuyiswa kwalamathambo kusho ukuqala kabusha empilweni kaAfrican National Congress kusho ukuqala kabusha enhlanganweni endala eyakhelwe phezulu kwesekelo zomthandazo ngoba ANC phela wakhelwe phezulu kwesekelo zomthandazo khumbula ukuthi ngamhlazana uqala eVaihook kwaba negidigidi lesasasa lomthandazo kwacula iculo lethi lizale isidinga lakho babe seVaihook esontweni lamaweseli la upresident oqala wakhethwa kwaba uJohn Langalibale Duba umfundisi futhi naye ukuthi alide lenhlangano bakhona nabanye abafundisi abayiholile njengomfundisi Ezekiel Magabane njengomama uCharlotte Maxeke bebafundisi inkosi Albert Thulu kwakumshumayeli uOliver Tambo kwakumshumayeli bonke labantu kubonisa ukuthi kahle kahle iANC inasi isisekelo sokholo engikholwa ukuthi lokho kwenzeka njengamanje kuzovuselela ubukhona bukaKhongolose kwezikamoya. Yes.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba, kodwa bengifisa ukuthi kube khona into mhlawumbe ongase uqinise ngayo njengokuthi wena umfundisi uqinise iSouth Africa yonke, ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi even nakubona kuzozwela ukuthi labantu bahamba beyona abanye babo basinda babuya basibona sebebuya ezibamathamo. So uSouth Africa wonke uthintekile nawo
kunjalo.
Sicela ukuthi uqinise.
Futhi ke kwenzeka kuwo wonke ama province. Ngiyafisa ukuthi bafowethu nodade wethu, ngiyafisa ukuthi izinceku nezincekukazi sikwenze kube umthandazo wethu obalekile ukuthi sithandazele iSouth Africa. Lamathamba buyayo awasihlanganise kunokuthi asihlukanise. Lamathamba buyayo a representa ubuhlungu nenhlungu esidlulwe kuyo njengezwe lase South Africa. Yebo namhlanje nje sikhululekile wonke umuntu uthola into ayitholayo, kodwa khumbula ukuthi ihlobo zalabantu nabo uqobo labo abazange bayithole lento ababeyilwela, bafela ekudingisweni, befela izwe lethu. Mawubheka nje lapha uNdodakazi kaShembe oyenominyaka u18 eshiya lelizwe ekudingisweni, uyabuya emva kweminyaka eminingi usamathamba. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi uma sinobuntu nenhliziyo njengabantu base South Africa sokuthatha njengomzuzu obalekile lo ukuthi kubuyiswa amathambo, kube nobunye ezweni, kube nokuthula, ngoba iyonto esidingayo. Asazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufuna siyephi ngalesikhathi esikusona. Ubugebengu bandile, ingane ziyahlukunyezwa, abadala ogogo badlwengula emphakathini, kunobudlobongela obuningi. Siyamthemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi njengoba kwenzeka kuJosepha wathi nithola amathamba ami ngoba ayegcwele ukuthula kuwo, siyathemba ukuthi nale mngcwabo ezokwenzeka nalamathamba esiwabuyisayo azaletha ukuthula ezweni lakithi eSouth Africa nakwaZulu Natal in particular.
Sibonge kakhulu baba uDube, kuningi esizokhuluma nawe. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma sikhuluma ngomlando noma mhlawumbe masikhuluma ngomlando wala eThekwini omunye wabantu esingakwazi ukuthi sibuyele kubona. So ke siyanthembisa ababukele emakhaya ukuthi sisazophinde siqhubeke simvakashele even nakwakho baba uDube, just to know ukuthi where they are coming from with uANC nabafundisi noma ikuphi la siya khona, ngoba ikhona lento masikhuluma ngayo, masikhuluma nge-interfaith. So ke ngingasho ukuthi sisazoqhubeka nohambo lwethu. This is the start. Siqale lana ema-ofisini yakhona la provincial. We are still waiting for SG umbalule egameni lika Jesu uyeza. Bese ngisegameni lika Jesu phela namhlanje ngifaka ukhololo. Ngise-ofisini lami ngiphinde futhi ngibe ne-office futhi ngala ngakunina nami ngisiqoko eziningi baba.
Nami nginegqoke ukuthi siningi igqoko.
Futhi siyafana.
Mina ngibonge nje ukuthi angisondeze noma ngakujwayeleka kuba semoyeni, kodwa nje angisondeze njengenciko because ngiyalinga naye.
Yes.
Negqoke sigqokele siningi. Khumula leso ugqoke leso, khumula leso ugqoke leso. Ngibonga nje ukuthi at least nginomunye uzakwethu onjengami ogqoke igqoke eyiningi. Bathi ngesingisi is a coat of many colors. Mina njengombhali nangumbhali ngumculi leRomola Sishaba nje group yethu. Musician, ngidlala igitha, ngiyabhala, ngumfundisi, ngukomisa. Yabona nje ziningi lezi bagqoka ungasazi bathiwa uyini.
Phinde futhi ube ihero eyangena emzabalazweni.
Yabona nje futhi ngisosha lo mkhonto wesizwe konke lokho yabo. Nandoda uhambe phela ukushaya icilongo lakhe kuthiwa don't blow on trumpet. Ngingathanda ukuthi ngichaze ngubani ngenza nani. Bayazi abasondelene nami, kodwa ngiphela lapho ukuthi nami nje mangafika abazalwane ngumzalwane.
Yes.
Makufika ama comrade
comrades
phela lapho nje ngifuna ukuqhubeka
fanele ngime lento engiyona.
Ngima la ngikhona.
Sibonge kakhulu ke baba, sisazoqhubeka ke comrade lami elihle, sisazoqhubeka lo sikuthatha siqhubeka size sifinyelele emndenini ogcina. Angibonge kakhulu.
Ngibonga nami ukuthi at least unginike leli thuba noma ngifaka ku spotlight nje. Angibonga nje ukuthi nginike leli thuba ukuthi ngiphefumula ngijwayele ukukhuluma na-entertain.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi usuzolisho ke leligama ukuthi izono zakho zonke ithethelele.
Seyithethelele izono zakho kade unamacala akho nalawo usazowenza thethelele.
Asethethelele kuyimbayo.
Asethethelele amacala akho.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Baba wethu ingcwele noMvuyisi wenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu, baba wethu siyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu nathi ngekhathi zonke nakule nhlanganiso uNkulunkulu wethu engcwele sisazophuma uNkulunkulu wethu sambele nemndeni sikhulekela uNkulunkulu wethu sibusiso sendlela ume nathi usibiyele njalo manje kuzobe naphakade. Amen.
Problem esinayo yokuqedela umsebenzi wokubuyiswa kwemizimba yama-comrade who passed on while in exile. The weekend on Sunday were the first burial in the province. Comrade Balungile Shembe Samshane Gyona. siyovakashela imndeni siyovisa amaze enduduzo. Iy'nhlelo zomngcwabo almost sezikwi-finality in all aspects. There are a few areas here and there kumele sizame ukuwa-finalize on our side in regard to issues of transport nama-logistics amancane asasele kumele siwa-finalizile ukuthi silekelela kanjani on i-transport matters for bonke abantu sibafikele emngcwabeni ney'dingo zakhona. So there is the essence of our engagement namhlanje ne-program esiwenza namhlanje. I-first family esiqala kuyona siqala eChesterville. Angithi mfundisi. Siqala eChesterville siwe eChesterville size eLamonti, then from there bese siyogcina kuComrade ubaba ukhuzwayo eMpumbulu. Because khona kukujana then the rest of the other areas. But also there are issues ekumele siwa-address at that level. Ngendlela zoba nokuzotha nokuthile nomndeni, there is a chapter kumele siyivale nomndeni ngendlela eproper so that by the time sifika kumcimbi ngomgqibelo kubuyiswa kwamathambo kababa ukhuzwayo all the chapters ebezikhona ngaphambili siyivalile ngendlela eproper and akoyibe into enhle ukuthi in all the families we've been warmly welcomed. They warmly cooperated with us with programs iqala up until the end, so they have no issues with the ANC.
Philil. All right. Okay. Johnny. All right. How are you? Bonile Madonna. All right. Okay.
Ngaphambi koba semadolweni my bishop xa singena kweli ikhaya lakwamthethe ndibulele ithuba endilifumanayo ndibulise kwisikhokheli ofisi ka-General Secretary wombutho wabantu, isekretary zonke, mandithi nje iprotocol yombutho ndiyi-observile ngenxa yexesha amabishop on the clergy session they decide lidwawena nayo mandiyibulise ngokuhlukana nokushiyana kwezikhundla zalo. Ndicinga uba phambi koba ndithi ndiyathandaza tata kunencwadi kaYobi, incwadi asayinwa kuYobi, isahluko nje 24 ivesi inye bishop mhlophe ngenxa yexesha ebendawuthi benza uncokola kuyo kanti ndibona indawo incinci kwaye nelanga lisiqinile. Ivesi yesibhozo Job chapter 24 verse 8 ndiyifumana iBhayibhile yesiZulu my bishop. Kule Bhayibhile yesiZulu ithi bamanzi ngezihlambi zasentabeni basingatha idwala bengenasiphephelo. Eli lilizwi lenkosi uThixo bawo bangangasikelela thamsancelise nje lingekacaciswa ngokudebe kunaphakade. Amen. Uba ibiye yesixhosa my bishop uzawufumana la mazwi esithi bayanetha sisiphambo sentaba bengenandawo yakuzimela bencathama ngeliwa elingunaphakade. Bendizawufuna uthetha loo nto uba besinexesha besawucokolapho apha ngasekhaya ke Qonce ke sinamawa. Iliwa yindawo yokuncathama nokuzimela kweebhokhwe noba izilwanyana ezifuyile, noba sowulekwa ngamapolisa ngexesha loburhulumente basesisikayi sasibalekele emaweni ukwenzela umbuso kasebe ungasifumani. Xa kunetha ke isiphango qala usibone my bishop ngendlela esiza ngayo, qala kusibekele kube mnyama ubone uba ngoku sisiphango esizawunetha kwaye sisawunetha bishop Mhlophe. Isiphango kusala kuthe saa endaweni, mhlawumbi kusala ingqeleqa, mhlawumbi kusala izindlu zingenaphahla, kodwa kusawufika isiphango endaweni kusala kukhanya. Kodwa uthi uJob apha bathi besawunethwa abantu bakaThixo sisiphango bangafumani indawo yokunceda, kodwa inye indawo ebebeyifumana ibiliwa. Iliwa ndizawumisa nakweli khaya linye liliwa linguThixo esimkhonzayo uba xa uthe wancathama ngaye
umane uvela qathi umama Israyeli eGibhithe umane uvela eyehlanu umane uvela ube lilanga ebusuku ukhanye ube lidangathi lomlilo emini ube lilifuba sithe bangatsha abantu bakho nakwesi siphango ingathi my secretary general esikhona kukhongolose sokuditheka kwabantu ndiyandithi xa ndiyichaza ndithi abantu abakhona ngoku namaqabane esinawo ngamaqabane axakekileyo abanjwe yincilikithi ngoba kaloku ngenxa yobudebendlela zininzi izithembiso zininzi indawo zininzi izikhokhela abahlangene nazo kodwa singasifezekanga kulo khongolose bebenzela izinto emini abantu bebukele kodwa kuthi kusabuhlobo besebusuku bamjikele bathi ANC akasenzanga nto kodwa noko kunjalo ane-leadership nobhala ndifuna ukuthi namathi ka-ANC masincathame ngeliwa elingunaphakade mziwa lapha bamdletshe alikho elinye iliwa esiliphetheyo singabefundisi singo-ANC ngoba besikazafika intandabuzo zithi u-ANC usilahlile kodwa u-ANC ungumbutho owagcinazo isithembiso uyafana nalo thixo endifundisapha namhlanje ongawalibaliyo amadinga ncathamani ngayo i-ANC ngoba isimo sisithini ngoba kuvela abantu bendithembisa ngani uba ndiyithethile loo nto wanguthixo ngasikelela la mazwi awathandisancelise ngokudebe kunaphakade amen masithandazeni babotho ingcwele wena
exile. I will never turn back into everything that has happened. This is South Africa. ANC is our home. Besides of ANC, I'm not talking of the ANC alone, of South Africa. This is our home. And there's nothing will happen except bettering it.
Sibonge kakhulu sikhona lana emndenini wakamdletshe lapho bekuyolandwa khona iqhawe elahamba ngezikhathi zodlame layolwa lwelo lesizwe lesi. So namhlanje sinaleso sikhathi leso nomndeni and we are saying sithi kumndeni nje uNkulunkulu abagcina balondoloze ababophe ngebhandle kamoya engcwele. Amen.
Amen.
These are freedom fighters. Where we are is the home of Sipho Oprim Mdletshe, a member of the Luthuli detachment who died in 1988 after suffering blows in exile, being shot going to the home of Oliver Tambo. And then thereafter he could not recover and he passed on. Today we have brought the remains of this giant to his family, and I mean not his remains, we have visited the family to connect with them spiritually. So Chesterville, KwaZulu-Natal, and many other places, they must know that giants came out here. Kwasuku mamadoda aphakama yolwela inkululeko. And it's not like they did not anything, they sacrificed everything. He went to Fort Hare University. He could have been anything in life, but he left the country and went to fight and pick up arms to fight the regime, to liberate our people. There's nothing that can match that. And we're grateful for this, and we hope the story, as they come, the remains come back home, will remind all of us of where we come from for the liberation of our people. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nobala. Usipamandla Goke from ENCA, you mentioned that you have come to connect with the families, but the general concern from most family members of freedom fighters is that somewhere, somehow, the ANC has been distant. In other words, you have quote-unquote neglected them. How do you respond to such?
Well, we know that families have come to us, Luthuli House, and they raised their concerns about that they wish that they can get the remains of their loved ones from exile back to the country. And we have since embarked on this journey. It's not been easy. They will tell you, the families themselves, as you talk to them, go in there to identify the bodies, the family, where they were buried, and all of it. It's been a tedious process. And it's not over. We only brought 42, and there's still a lot. Others are in Angola, and so on. So the government committed to this, and it's now been implemented. Nobody will be happy for a full closure up until something like this happened. But the baton now is being picked up by us. The struggle continues because for what they fought for and brought freedom, it means today we need to continue with the struggle. And as we connect with them, yes, It's not easy to lose your loved ones, and that they are lying somewhere in other countries. And now that today this has happened, we think it doesn't only bring closure, but it uplifts them. That they fought for this freedom. And also the people here in the surrounding and in KwaZulu-Natal and South Africa must remember and engrave the names of people and comrades like Sipho Aubrey Mdletshe, to know their history and all of that, that they sacrificed everything in order for us to be free. Yeah, it must be guarded at all costs, because there are people who fought for it in order for us to be free. So that is the story of these rebellions.
Yeah, Ms. Pamanda, it will be last question on your side, and if anyone else has a question, they must immediately answer after you, because we have a long day here.
You mentioned the issue of closure. The family of Chief Albert Luthuli asked for an inquest that was granted. Griffith Mklenge as well. The family of Chris Hani have also asked for an inquest from the South African government. Can we have your comment on the issue of closure when it comes to the inquest on Chief Albert Luthuli, Mklenge and Chris Hani?
We have said when that killer, Janus Walus, was released as the ANC, we talked about government considering an inquest. And the question was asked, an inquest after so long that a person have died. Our understanding is that inquests are not conducted in terms of whether the space and time allows or not. If there is a need to do that, it should happen. And so those in authority, the request has come forward. The family have raised that view. We have supported it. And therefore, if it has to be done, it has to be done. And we'll see where it takes us to. But it's not something, as the ANC, we are opposed to. Thank you very much.
Let's